Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how you can fix mouse cursor moving on its own. We'll try and fix the issue now. So first go on to control panel and then select it, and then go on to mouse and click on select it. Now go on to pointer options. As you can see, the select pointer speed, if it's slower or fast, it might be causing the problem. So make sure it's on the middle and untick enhance pointer precision, and then you can untick the hide pointer while typing and click on apply, and then restart the computer. It should solve the problem. If the problem still persists, just go on to device manager and go on to mice and other pointing devices. Just right click on it and click on update driver. If the driver is updated, and you can just to uninstall device and then restart the computer. It should solve the problem. If the problem still persists, obviously you're gonna have to check if the mouse is plugged in properly, or if there is any dust on the if it's an optical mouse, if there is any dust on the sensor. Check few other things like if the cable is broken or not. I hope you find this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thank you.